Listen, I know इतना भी लेट नहीं थे. We're not we're not that late. I don't think we're that late. मैंने कब लिंक भेजा था? 4:22, 4:27. Hey, not again. 2 minutes late. That's not bad. Okay. So let me just set up stream. Yeah, मैं बहुत lazy feel कर रहा हूँ आज. So we're trying to overcome. Um, okay. और शाश्वत, how is Slack? Uh, I'll join from laptop में शिवांग के लिए dot files भी push कर दूंगा. Based. Okay. Right. I guess live. Okay. Now I have my background music on obviously, but मैं thing is I don't have my keyboard अभी. I think next हफ्ते मिल जाएगा. So उसके लिए I will put on background music अभी stream के लिए. I guess we can do lo-fi. Nice. मेरे को अपना stream भी edit करना है. Like I still have to edit my old stream, take out the part, and then make it public. So I shall do that today. ठीक है, this is done. I can. ठीक है, ये हो गया. इसको हटा सकते हैं. मैं अच्छा खासा गाने प्लेलिस्ट में देख रहा हूँ for myself. Because अभी I'm not really feeling it. So from the community, from old school, forgotten favorites, YouTube music is so good by the way. Oh, do I have anything here? I do not have anything here. Oh, this is just account ka. Interesting. Indie Heatwave, classic pop party. Just can we not get a decent playlist गाने सुनने के लिए? I'm titanium. Oh, ये वो वाला गाना है ही नहीं. Oh, completely different song. Actually, not bad. What can it be now? Hips don't lie. Trending in shorts. Oh, what is take on me? Oh, ये वाला गाना. Okay. Call me crazy. I will listen to Kanye West. I know finally. यार मेरा माउस ही काम नहीं कर रहा. ओह, बैटरी का इशू है क्या? Brother. Okay. Let's come on. Bro, where is like are there no playlists गाने के लिए? Yeah, I guess this we can play. Okay. I know. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me just check अगर मेरे को कुछ नहीं दिखाना. I think okay. चलो Discord पे मैसेज भेज दिया है. Okay, I think we can share. Okay. ENV पे I hope there is. Yep, cloak भी on है. ठीक है, great. Okay, ठीक है. We can start streaming. Also, I don't know. I'm just जब मैं स्ट्रीम करने लगता हूँ तभी सारे दिमाग में थॉट्स आते हैं कि कब क्या प्रायोरिटाइज करना है. Where is my setup? Can we not put my setup here? Okay. Also, I realize I think मेरा setup थोड़ा सा छोटा है. Like this probably better. better, but the thing is I would like chat to be ऊपर, तो मैं chat को ऊपर कैसे लाऊं? क्या मैं um, wow, brother. Oh, मैंने उसको full screen पे करा हुआ है, right? Hmm, it's fine, ठीक है. Maximize. Wow. Oh, मैं इधर से कर सकता हूँ. Insane. Remove from stage, mute, edit mic settings. Okay. Not bad. And मैं इसमें कैसा दिख रहा हूँ? Okay. I guess थोड़ा मैं बड़ा कर सकता हूँ अपने आप को. Like the thing is, it's a little small. मैं अपना जब वो screenshot डाला Twitter पे, I realized कि like it's a bit short. And thing is, I would ideally like it to be here. You know, because I think this is a good stream layout. अब probably इसके ऊपर तुम लोग like chat हो, but like मैं real time chat नहीं देख पाऊंगा. So how do we change that? Interesting. This is a interesting problem. Anyway, but I guess this is like coding के लिए अच्छा. Anyway, we can figure that out later. क्या करें stream में? We're going to be figuring out LinkedIn का API तुम्हारा कैसे काम करता है. So I have it open. I was starting with it, and then जब मैं start कर था, I was like stream कर सकते हैं इसको. So that's what we're doing. We're going to stream this, and I really don't know the flow अभी तक, to be honest. So we're going to just figure that out. One चीज मेरे को जो weird लगी is this thing. कहाँ गया? I think uploading an image में something about permissions was mentioned. हाँ, the permission required for REST images access are these, and that is good for us because we have W member social in ours. So if I go to get access token, excuse me, W member social modules OAuth, right? So हमारे पास ये 3 permissions या scopes के लिए हम पूछ रहे हैं. So we do have that over here, right? But problem is this. However, this permission is write only, and tokens with this scope permissions would be unable to perform a get call for REST images. I don't really get that. Unless maybe you want read write member social, that maybe I can ask for as permission. I don't know. Let's see. Abhi like just post पे ध्यान देते, then अगर like कुछ करना है, we can focus on that. But anyway, so this is basically our something. क्या है? This is the schema. अब I don't know if this is the return schema or the response schema. Images API supports the following pixel count and formats. Images with less than this many pixels. How are they even counting that? JPG, GIF, and PNG formats. Okay, I guess we can. GIF is an image. GIF format suppose up to 250 frames. Okay. I guess अभी के लिए let's only allow JPEG and PNG अपने उसमें. तो मैं Claude को यहाँ पे बोल देता हूँ /sessions क्या resume plan upload. Yep. Let's only allow JPG and PNG images for now. Okay, and also मैं Fastify का I tried out basically तुम्हारा multi-part request, and it's pretty easy, I guess. So and it's very interesting compared to how like मैंने पहले implement करा है. I don't really know मैंने कहाँ पे implement करा है Express में, but in Fastify you do it like this, and this is kind of amazing because like it's actually how the request is formed, and it's also good enough abstraction जहाँ पे you know what is happening. So I'm basically iterating through my multi-part form data and saying that, hey, if my part is this, give me that. If my part is this, give me that. And for my schedule, I'm adding one more thing. Yeah, I'm adding my post stat field. So I'm basically iterating through my or rather parsing my form data and then getting the values I want, and then I'm like, hey, this is good, like, pretty cool. So initialize image upload. Use the, oh my god, hi Shivang, what's up? What's up? By the way, I have made myself bigger on my stream. I hope like it's more visible now. So synchronous upload is not supported in images API. Okay, use the initialize upload action to register the upload. When you initialize, you declare the upcoming upload. Use the upload URL to upload the image. Okay. Okay. So where is my post service? Actually, LinkedIn. Wow. I think we need to go to LinkedIn. Upload image. Where is upload image? Yep. So basically, क्या करना है हमें? Initialize upload. We have to initialize upload. Then we have to do the upload to the upload URL. And upload URL कहाँ से आ रहा है? We are getting it from here. Returns upload URL. Change from Pokemon PG. Oh yeah. This though, we've changed it since a long time. I think Pokemon was too flashy, like this is a bit more low key. So yeah. Okay, so we do that. I don't know what the owner is over here. Do I pass in my organization? Sample response, upload URL. This is what we get. Image. Okay. Image with media library metadata for media library registration. Defaults to active on creation. I don't think we need that. Do we need that? Successful response. Wait. A successful response returns the 200 OK status code with the upload URL to upload the image. This is for this thing. Oh, okay. But I don't think I want that. Upload the image. Using the upload URL, return from the previous step, upload the image. For more information, see the upload image. Image uploaded with the images API can now be used across different image and image art formats. For example, ads. Not that I want to do ads in Relay, it would be interesting to explore. For example, an image can be used in a single image ad, a carousel, and a spotlight ad, and doesn't require separate image uploads. That's good. Get a single image, but this doesn't matter because we don't have permissions for it. Partial update on image, find by associated content. Oh, actually, if we can't get the image, how are we posting it? Post image. I have this. Initialize the image upload. Okay. Oh. You must first register the upload to obtain an upload URL and an image URL. Okay. Send a post request to this thing. Endpoint, blah, 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 payload. Okay. You will receive an upload URL. Upload the image binary. Use the upload URL provided in the previous step to upload your image file. This must be a binary upload, typically using a put or post request depending on the specific API version. Max 5 MB. Oh, 5 MB. Okay. That's important for us to know. JPG, PNG, or GIF. We're only supporting JPG and PNG right now. Content type to application octet stream. Interesting. That is good because apne yahan pe I have put in this thing. Yeah. Application JSON in posting, and this is just stuff you require. In fact, I don't know why I'm not putting this here in fetch person ID. I think I should. This dot hashtag get. Actually, why am I typing it when I can just boom? Yeah. Create the LinkedIn post. Once the upload is successful, create the final post by referencing the images URL in the media or content section of the post API. Content media ID. Interesting. So you're basically saying ki I need to come here. I have commentary, which is my content. Then you want my content. Commentary is this. I should probably make a type for this, by the way. Media, and you're saying ID, some image URL. Interesting. Okay. Post LinkedIn post params. Okay. I guess we can give image URL, which may be a string or may not. So I guess if it's content, content can be null. Okay. Const content is equal to post dot image agar hai. Otherwise we'll just give it an empty object, and if it is there, what we can say is that hey, uh, media id post dot image earn, and just format this. Yep. And then over here we can say that uh, content, I guess. Okay. Yeah, that's great. 201 created. I should probably create a type for the. I do have types. Oh, right. LinkedIn post API, payload type. Nope, not this. Permissions, I don't care. Yeah, where is my. Why don't I have like the whole type? Wasn't post API schema? There you go. Okay, I have the author. I'm gonna expand the table. I have the author, which is create only required. I have author. I have my add context, which is of type. Do we just, I don't really care about ads. Commentary, which is required. Container, which is optional, which is a URN. Okay. Organization URN. You know what? You know what? You know what? I think we can do this. Whoa, not that. Brother. Brother, what am I doing? Brother, chill, chill. Um, Sport type URN. Let's make that a string. And let's come here. Author. Let's make that a URN. Okay. URN. Content landing page. Content call to action label. Created at. I don't think we require that. Distribution type. I think we already have distribution. Yeah, we do. ID. I don't think we want that. Is reshare lifecycle state, lifecycle published at. Okay. Reshare context. Do we have reshare context? No. The context in which the post was reshared only be set for reshares. This field contains information about the reshare context, parent, the direct parent of the post. Oh, okay, okay. Visibility. This is what. Whoa, where is content? Oh, there is content over here. Okay. Content is optional. Content is content, I guess. export type, content. Actually, if that's the case, why not just make this undefined? And this can be as LinkedIn post payload. Content type, brother. Damn, okay. Do we have any like, are all of them required? What? Hmm. With what? Media, brother. Huh. Field media poll. Okay. I guess everything is optional. I guess. Media content, poll, poll content. Oh, I just realized I can use a macro for this. Try करना है? Carousel लिख दिया. So I can basically come here. Actually, wait. Carousel, boom, boom, and यहाँ पे QW, boom, 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 yank, end, boom, 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 content, boom, boom. Oh, we don't want R, we want shift this, I guess. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's see. Celebration at W. Oh, let's go. Reference at W. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? This is reference. Okay. Sport type, reference content, ID, which is URN. Sport type, media content, ID, title, alt text. Whoa. Whoa. ID, title, brother. Alt text, I guess, string. Now, that's the thing, right? I think like all of this will be optional. Like the whole thing will be optional. Like this thing will be optional. This thing will be optional. This thing will be optional. I just realized QE. Wait, what? Wait. QE. Boom, 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 boom. Q. 3 at E. Boom. Right. So similarly, ID तो चाहिए होगा obviously, but alt text and title, I don't think we require that. Required field for documents API. For documents API. For the media, none if empty, optional. There you go. Okay. Distribution, I don't think distribution is a thing. Article, huh? Brother. What? Where is my article? Okay. Article adds API. And you know what? Let's not put all the stuff we don't want. Carousel, whatever. Take a multi-image. We'll add it for now because I think there is scope for that later. The marketing version, yeah, this I know. Permission, we have the permission. Retrieve posts. Okay. Images, array of media. Okay. Required alt text. Okay. Oh my god, Yash, what's up? Export type, multi image content, which is images, um, media content का array, alt text, string. Fine bro came after many days. Yeah. Wait, तुम की मैं? Because I streamed last Thursday. I had to private it because just मैंने कुछ stupidity कर दिया था. But it's fine. Make sure you include the request. Okay. Oh yeah, fair. Welcome back. Okay. Got it. So, man, the fact that you can create so many things for LinkedIn. Let's not get carried away. Let's put these later. These can be features. ठीक है. I guess we have it in to do. Refactor. Oh, ये सब हो गया था. Yeah, I can put these here. Okay. I can delete all of that. New features to possibly add, because again, this is not like I'm not making this for as a product yet. अगर लोग use कर रहे that's great, but जहाँ तक अभी देखा मैं ही use कर रहा हूँ. So I wanted to be very constricted to my workflow, right? अगर कोई पूछेगा कि hey, can I post polls? अगर like considering they're using, I'll add it. So let's keep it very minimal in that sense. Add in option to post other types of content for LinkedIn, polls, carousels, articles, etc. Right. Iska, I guess let's just add in the ref for this. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. Multi-image also, let's support that in next iteration, but let's just keep the type away. So that's for that. So, okay. Okay. Okay, this is done. LinkedIn index, come on. So I've got this, which is correct. यहाँ पे मैं ये check कर रहा हूँ चाहिए कि नहीं. As LinkedIn post payload. Perfect. Target entities, blah blah blah. So I think we're good here, and I upload my image and I have to return my upload. Oh no, let's handle that whole flow here. So that means we don't want a try catch. Actually, no, let's not put a try catch. We initialize the upload. Okay. Wow. This will be async. you know, I don't know if I'm very conflicted on अगर URL capital लिखूं कि just ऐसे लिखूं, because this feels for TypeScript, but at the same time URL इसको पूरा देखने में मजा आता है, you know. So I'm a bit conflicted. So whatever. Also, I might have to go for 10 minutes. I might have to go for 10 minutes. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Sorry, had to attend something. Yeah, I mean, I don't think. Okay, come on, let's get back. Okay, so we can get this out of the way. We want that. That is great. Uh, right, that's the schema, and this is what we want. Text only post. No, no, I don't want this. Yeah. Okay. Let's initialize image upload. Let's just yeah. Response. So do I api.linkedin.com? Okay. Okay. Um, Build URL, I guess. The endpoint we want to hit. This will be a string. This will return a string. Return this dot hashtag base URL plus endpoint. So let's come here. Instead of this, we can say that here slash rest slash post, right? So constant point is equal to this dot build URL slash rest slash post. Okay, great. Yeah. Okay. Slash rest slash images action is equal to initialize upload. Okay, great. Okay, so this is done. I can call this endpoint and it's a post request. So I'm going to do that. Headers, we're going to get this dot get LinkedIn request headers. But what do we need to change? That's the question, right? Like content, this I'm adding. So that's great. Okay, I guess that's it. And this is my request. Yeah, see this thing. This is I'm confused about. You know, okay. Organization body, I guess. JSON.stringify. Huh. So instead of or, this will be or URN. Now thing is or URN अपना जो organization है that I think will be the same, right? So I think we can just store this locally. All right. Right. LinkedIn initialize upload response. Boom. So what are we getting? We're getting value, which is upload URL expires at. This is supposed to be a number. Upload URL and image. Image will be a URN. and upload URL will be a string. Okay. So we upload it, and this is the image, right? So this is the URL. Oh yeah, this is how we're referencing it. C, whatever this, and C. So in my database, I need to store the, like in my schema, basically. In my posts, I will be like, hey, this is my content. Uh, I will have a text called image URL, or let's just put image ref or URL. Let's just put image, right? Image. Let's call it image. Let's put the default value as null. Null is not assignable to text. Sure, why not? Okay. This is the image URL that LinkedIn gives us. Do I even add in the comment over here? Because I think I believe we would know that, right? So I'll just get the whole thing. And why does it matter that we store it? Because if we schedule it, then it helps us like post it. So this is there. I'm going to just npm run db generate that. Great. 4 tables. Okay. LinkedIn, right? Okay. Const data, which is my LinkedIn response, is equal to await res.json. Unless, see, I need to like do something about that, because this is a ghosty feature. I mean, like for example, here, if I do control 0, it like resets this thing. So I need to like not want that happen. Anyway, if res.okay, agar nahi, if it's not okay, basically. If it's not res.okay, throw new error. How am I throwing a new error here? Yeah, let's just copy that. Fail to initialize image upload, status code, res.status text. Perfect. Okay, that is done. Return data dot. Ooh, I think I would want my upload URL, which should be data.upload URL. What? And this should be my image URL, which should be data.value.image. My bad. Okay, right. So over here, whoa. That was weird. Promise of brother. Upload URL, which is a string, image, which is a string. Okay, great. And this is where we're actually uploading the thing. So over here, I'll basically upload URL, image URL, initialize upload. Great. Yeah. My go deciding task here. Oh, Claude is there for front end. Is there for front end. मैं back end लेकिन खुद से कर रहा हूँ. Because that's been the whole workflow. So, also I hope my camera में cut off नहीं हो रहा. Oh, नहीं हो रहा. Great. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, how are we uploading our image? And इसमें क्या लिखा है? Images API. we're track coders, brother. We're track coding. NeoVim, you know, Vim motions वगैरह कहाँ गया मेरा function? हाँ. Images uploaded with the images API can now be reused across different. Okay, I don't care. We can delete that. Let's put in here. Curl upload file desktop image authorization blah 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 sample response. See, this is what I don't like. Just give me the JSON format. What is this? I don't want the HTTP response. Um, क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? Bearer redacted. Oh, my because LinkedIn, brother, LinkedIn API का जो documentation है, it's on Microsoft का documentation. और कैसे? Um, I forgot. I forgot. Um, Image buffer. So this is not really returning anything, right? We can assume कि the upload was done if everything went well. Const endpoint is equal to this dot build URL. इसमें देखते कौन सा URL है. Await fetch endpoint. Boom. Method should be, I believe, a post request. Headers. A. Dot. This dot get LinkedIn headers request headers. Brother, where are you? There you are. Also, मेरा bearer. Right. What? Okay. Oh, okay. No, but I do want my token there also. Right. Oh, this can be this, by the way. /v2/user info, right? Uh, Whoa. I meant this. This dot build URL /v2/user info. I thought the LinkedIn API doc should be. You would think that, but it isn't. Image request. I don't think we need this anymore. Okay. Initialize upload is being done. Upload URL. Oh. Upload URL. So I don't need to do this here. In fact, I need to send it here. Endpoint string. Yeah. Endpoint, brother. Endpoint. And image buffer. Upload file. Okay. Authorization bearer redacted. In fact, don't you think कि जब हम I would assume कि yeah, exactly. That's what. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Endpoint token. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we are good. I think we're good. Initialize upload token भेजते हुए we are going to just come here and we're going to be like, hey, await this dot upload image to URL जहाँ पे upload URL भेज रहे हैं, token भेज रहे हैं, and then image भेज रहे हैं. Perfect. Okay. That is interesting. So how do I actually like send it, brother? Um, where is this guy? Uh, like form data भेज रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? Oh, it just image buffer भेज रहा है. Okay, 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 okay. Raw binary put. It's a put request. Okay. So यहाँ पे मेरा post request है and यहाँ पे मेरा put request है. Okay. Authorization, that's okay. And body is my image buffer. Okay. Body is my image. Huh. String URL request in it. Am I losing my mind? Huh? What? Yeah, so isn't it a buffer? Uh, what's the issue here? Uh, huh? Brother, what? Image? What? Buffer array like is not body init, null or undefined. Okay. Um, body init, readable stream, XML body init, readable stream, I guess. Brother, readable stream, brother. Huh? Yeah, there you go. Readable stream. Sure. Oh, there you go. Prototype. Read only, cancel values, pipe to. Not. Oh, iterator. Let's go iterator. Mentioned. But that's not what I want. Um, the error is that buffer array like buffer is not allowed for body init under body type. Just give me the thing. Oh, is it gonna be something like new buffer image ऐसे, or rather buffer dot from, is it going to be that buffer extends event array with the fetch oh, you want it as a blob. Oh, binary. Okay, okay, okay. Fair, fair. Um, body, new blob, image is not assignable to blob part. Oh, image. Brother, what am I doing wrong? Ah, say to it. Huh? What am I doing wrong? Brother, okay. You can VD that thing. No, no, sorry, sorry. You don't have to zoom out that much. You can VD that thing. Space VD. Oh, bro. Space VD. Oh, thanks. स्पेस वीडी ओ व्यू डायग्नोस्टिक्स मैं ओके जब मैं के प्रेस कर रहा हूँ तो लाइक चला जा रहा है वो ब्रदर हाउ डू आई गो इनसाइड द ब्लॉक जब मैं स्पेस वीडी कर रहा हूँ जैसे स्पेस वीडी कर रहा हाउ डू आई गो इनसाइड इट जैसे इसके अंदर अब मैं आ गया हूँ राइट तो हाउ डू आई डू दैट फ्रॉम अ कीबोर्ड ओह एक सेकंड ओ बाय द वे मैं एक और चीज मैंने नहीं सीखी है स्पेस वीडी ओह कुछ कैपिटल के एंड देन कैपिटल के ओके 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 सो आर यू रेडी fold NeoVim inherently has fold unfold oh वो क्या करो how to unfold in NeoVim इसका शॉर्टकट है space x let me try space x c oh no oh okay ये आया but space x oh no क्या था bro अगर ये नहीं था इसका maybe fold off it's z है पक्का ओ हाँ वो मेरा माउस नहीं काम कर रहा हाँ brother why my mouse not be working fam okay very good नहीं but fold के लिए क्या था open the current fold zo open all folds and but मस्त था ना like I didn't know NeoVim के पास folds था unless मैंने TJ का कोई stream देखा and उसने just like fold कर देना I was like brother what ZA to toggle a fold ZO to open a fold ZC to close a fold ZA oh ZC oh toggle a fold Kitty has folds by default. Oh, crazy. Open a fold, set fold indent. Wait. What? NeoVim fold shortcut. ZF? ZF. Ah, and Z. O. Oh. Z fold and Z open fold. Nice. Nice na oh ऊपर था sorry I'm not really good at reading so okay anyway my question was how to send binary in request body in JS, है ना? I am not using HTML. I am not a psychopath. Thank you very much. Body blob, new blob, type application. Application octet stream. Actually, मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा था. Um, I am a bit confused. Make sure you set the thing to application JSON. Wasn't something about octet stream here? Huh. Upload video. Okay, not for image. Okay. Bro, vector assets पे कहाँ से आ गए? Huh? My dudes, what? Oh, vector assets here. Okay. Huh, I thought like the upload call requires a valid OAuth token in the authorization header. This is different than a video upload which doesn't accept an OAuth token. Oh, use a put method to upload the image. Okay, but how? What? तुम कौन हो भाई? We don't have to do this. Array buffer. Array buffer. Oh, sorry, space VD, right? My bad. Space VD. Argument of type is not assignable to. Oh, bro, I am so confused. I don't want form data. Um, this is not that hard, by the way. I don't know मेरे को क्यों नहीं पता ये. Image buffer. Hey, same cheese. Lol. I'm not reading jQuery, brother. No, century. Rich meat is deprecated on that tower. What? What? API LinkedIn Media पर तो है Media पे API is deprecated. Do I have to figure this out? Space waiting. Okay, it's 100% not this because it doesn't make to send a buffer inside a buffer. If I already have it, why can't I just do? Byte offset, doubly last index of nope. Um, why isn't this working? Type buffer array like is not assignable to type body in it. Is missing the following properties: URL search params, ये सब. So you would rather prefer कि मैं तुम्हें let's say ये दूँ. So what is this returning? You're returning an array buffer. Oh, I have to do it like that. Okay. Um, if I have the image as a buffer from before and have to send it as a image buffer array buffer or blob, uh, then how do I do it? बट नहीं हो रहा राइट इट्स सेइंग कि उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है ये हाँ very confusing and skill issues. This is buffer's underlying issue. Dot buffer is typed as array buffer like, which includes shared buffer, but block part requires a strict array buffer. Love JavaScript. ये this is basically कि तुम्हें view चाहिए, right? Because new event 8 array image. Well, thank God. Anyway, I don't really care about anything else other than the fact that, hey, if not res.ok, okay, I think we're good. Do the upload. Okay. Anything we're missing? पोस्ट पैराम्स जहाँ पे हम इमेज का URN भेज रहे हैं ओके पोस्ट ऑन लिंक्डइन डॉट पोस्ट यूटिल ऑटोमेशन की जरूरत नहीं है पोस्ट सर्विस पोस्ट इमेज Oh. Right, okay. String array यार तुम I know तुम्हारा इशू क्या है upload image तुम्हारा इशू क्या था token access token and image upload image URN return image URN The zoom out thing is just in the pros. Dude, I think मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत पहले ट्वीट करा था कि यार TypeScript के एरर मैसेजेस इतने लंबे हैं and I was like, do you guys keep zooming? एक बार I literally was like, I think इधर तक. Oh, okay. I think इधर तक मैं पहुंच गया था and I was like, पूरा this whole line was taking up the error and I was like, there has to be a better way to do this. So I remember tweeting about it on LinkedIn also and I was like, nobody replied. Is everyone just zooming up? Return image URN. Okay, image URN. Create post. we have to change this. Actually, let's not put this image URL. Let's just call it as image, and it's a string, right? Let me just check something. Um, bro, null ना? Okay, ठीक है. Okay, this is done. So I think we're good. Okay, let's go over the flow. तुम्हें क्या हो गया? Schedule post. इसमें मैंने कैसे करा? Oh नहीं. Just oh, I have to get the access token in here now. I don't really like that, but I guess it has to be done. Oh, मैंने लेकर आ रहा हूँ मैं token already. Great. Token, I guess. Image will go at the last. Isn't that what we're doing? User ID के बाद access token है. What is your issue? Oh, lol. Why am I getting token here? Huh? Did I just refactor for my future self? Oh, right. मैं ये check पहले ही कर रहा. I think I was checking कि like you can't schedule without having a token. Oh, so that is great because then this is what I need. Brother, decrypt token dot value. Right. Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay. तो इधर मेरा कोई एरर नहीं है. Okay, I have to like also refactor this thoda. We'll do that later. अभी let's get this working. ये मेरा आ रहा था by the way last I checked. Wow. Okay, anyway, post now, decrypt token value, image, schedule. Perfect, 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 perfect. Schedule post. Okay, create post दोनों में कॉल हो रहा है. And this is schedule post, this is post now. एक और जगह चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. Post dot util यहाँ पे. Uh, post dot content image urn post dot image image, because this is what actually like will post it. मैंने शेड्यूल कर दिया, मैंने इमेज अपलोड कर दिया, मैंने इमेज डेटाबेस में डाल दिया। जब मैं रन करूँ अपना जॉब, गेट माई पर्सन आईडी पोस्टेड ऑन लिंक्डइन विद द इमेज, एंड अगर मेरे इमेज यहाँ पे नहीं है देन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पुट इट। परफेक्ट। ओके, हे आई थिंक वी डन, आई थिंक वी कैन ट्राई इट आउट। लेट मी जस्ट बिल्ड इट एंड चेक अगर कोई एरर्स है। Whoa, look at that. Oh, my bad. LinkedIn types. Yeah, my bad. Okay. Okay, are we ready? NPM, okay, Docker, image, report, perfect. Huh? Error response, conflict unable to remove, is using its reference image. Force, very good. Docker, hey, Docker, kill, yeah. Yes, Docker, kill. अबे, is not running. Oh. Uh, okay. Docker image remove. Okay. Okay. npm run dev server up. Brother, can you build faster? Let's go. Database. Whoa. Yeah, that's natural. Let's migrate. Perfect. npm run db studio local dot drizzle dot studio. Whoa. Post. This is testing. Brother, this should not exist. Posted? Oh, 1 second. Brother, I don't want to post it. LinkedIn पे इतना स्लो क्यों है? और मे बी इट्स माई एक्सटेंशन डार्क मोड का जो लाइक सब पार्ट्स कर रहा है। thank God. Yeah, but I need to like delete that post if it's. Oh my God. Bro, I didn't even remember Kabwa. Oh, I hope this is not my. No, no, this is not my. Wow, I thought I deleted this. Huh. Okay, that's weird. That is very weird. No, but what? What? Very, very weird. Okay. Oh, apparently I'm just logged in and I have all of that. That's great. Okay, so I think we can test an image. Okay, I hope nothing is showing your sensitive hair. Let's test posting our image. Let me screen share again. So I need to trim. I completely forgot. Yeah, let's come here. Okay, okay. Um, okay, that's great. Let's come here. Testing image API from delay. Let's put in Bangalore meetup stuff. Remember when that was a thing? Okay, wait. Let me just check something else. 1 second. 1 second, chat. Yeah, I think we're good to check. Okay, I can share my screen again. Let's share our screen again. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? I think we're ready. I think we are ready. Post now. Ooh, could not post content. Oh, failed to initialize upload. Status goes 400. Bad request. Huh? Why? Fail to initialize image upload. Why would you fail to initialize an image upload? Why would you fail to initialize upload? Okay, we're sending in the token. We're sending in slash rest slash images. Where are we messing up? API linkedin.com action initialize upload. Action initialize upload. Spelling correct hai. Is it a post request? It is a post request. Um, Headers may we are getting our things. Authorization bearer token. Yep. Initialize upload request. Oh right, of course मैंने ये नहीं डाला है. How do I get my org URL? Uh, URNs are used to represent foreign associations to an entity. URN is a string-based identifier with the format, namespace, entity type, and ID. So I need my org ID essentially, right? Or URN नहीं है वो. This is my org ID, which I think this should be static. URNs encode more information, including the entity type. It's possible to dereference a URN and access the underlying data of the entity using a process called decoration. IDs versus URN. I don't care. I don't care. Sample request. URN deconstruction. Was it decoration or deconstruction? Decoration, right? Yeah, I don't care about any of this. How do I fetch my org ID? How organization lookup. There we go. The organization lookup API searches organizations and their profiles unless otherwise noted. The following rules apply without. Oh, what? That's crazy. Using the organization ID, but how do I get the organization? Retrieving organizations. Use the organization lookup API to find organizations using an organization ID, but organization ID कहाँ से मिलेगा? What? Hmm? Find a member's organization access control, role, state, organization access control. No, this is not what I want, brother. Blah blah blah. Def test, university test, company ID, showcase ID. Oh, okay. Use the organization and brand APIs to create, update, and delete your organization and brand information. Additionally, the API support viewing analytics, notifications, sharing content, and enable members to follow organizations and view suggested organizations. Unless otherwise specified, authenticated members must be assigned specific organization roles. URNs uniquely identify both resources share common fields and similarities in how data is accessed and can only be modified by members who have been granted specific organization roles. Okay, we need our company ID essentially. Okay. How to get company ID in dev portal maybe? Get company ID from URL. Most of the above methods no longer work, including using the jobs page URL, having search and blah 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 to make life easier. Paste this script in the console. Of course, updates, LinkedIn, blah blah blah. Oh, you can of course use the API to find the company ID for any company page of which you are an admin. Oh, do I have to do it that way? Okay, wait. Let me stop sharing my screen and um, let me open my dev portal LinkedIn ka. Dev portal LinkedIn. Whoa. My apps. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let me also just full screen over here. Relay company verified. My apps. View all apps. Products, docs, tools, postman collections, API status, auth, open tools, resources. Okay, let's just come here. This is a client ID, which is great. LinkedIn page. Huh. Team members? Admin, managing team members. What if I go here? And like, hey, that's not one. Products, I guess. Oh, that reminds me. I think I have a privacy policy now. Yeah. So I can paste that here directly. Okay, we're gonna update that. This logo is displayed to users when they grant access to the. Oh, I have to change that. Okay, but how do I um, LinkedIn Dev Portal LinkedIn page? Yeah, brother. This is confusing. I really am not understanding this. Developer settings, view profile, not my profile, bro. It's not what I want. But I think I know what I need. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Um. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's not what I want, brother. Yep. Um. This is dude. I. What? Products. Show me your products. Go to overview, view consumer doc, add to profile, view docs, sales, talent, learning, plugins, regular. What? How to view your company ID in LinkedIn? Log into your LinkedIn account and navigate to the admin view of your company page. Okay. My apps. Go to linkedin.com. Boom. Yes, sir. Spider Labs. Very funny. Very, very funny. I think we found it, boys. Whoa. I think I have my company ID. Uh, Company ID right after the company. Okay. Okay. So that means this is what I'll have to do. This is what I will have to do. ENV, LinkedIn, or ID. Okay. Um, this will be org ID, which will be string. Can't I get it here itself? It's fine. Okay. Token, org ID, and image buffer. Image token, org ID, that dot upload image. Oh right, so अब हर एक में जाएगा. User ID, access token. I guess org ID is a thing now. Boom, boom. So we would want to get it from config basically, right? So post.route slash now में and फिर पहले तो इधर भेजो Alright. Org ID. Also, I think I can share my screen. We have got an org ID. I think we can share our screen again. Yep. Okay. Org ID, org ID. Right. Um, yes. User ID के बाद org ID, right? So config or rather fastify dot config dot LinkedIn or ID. I'll handle the rest of that. Boom. Oh, dot t dot ts. Um, or ID server index LinkedIn or ID config dot LinkedIn or ID, right? Config, yes, I am fixing it. Yes, I am fixing it. Config environment. Let's go class environment. Um, or ID LinkedIn or ID process dot client. Boom, or ID. Mm. LinkedIn और ID LinkedIn और ID and मेरे सर्वर के उसमें I am also gonna check for if not this dot hashtag LinkedIn or ID LinkedIn client ID LinkedIn secret LinkedIn or ID. Okay, I think we're good. तुम तो चल ही नहीं रहे हो तुम कहाँ से माइग्रेट कर रहे हो Okay, yeah, I think we're gonna get this first try. I think we're finally gonna get this first try. I should probably change that. Yeah, that's first try. First try. First try. Oh hey, let's go. DB migrate. DB Studio. Now this should like not have my details, right? Awesome. Okay, let me just connect to LinkedIn on my app. Um, Give me a second. Okay. Share screen. Share entire screen. Allow. Okay. So now let's test out our thing. Okay. We're gonna create a new post. Testing image support on relay. Attach image. Let's go with Bangalore. Bangalore mention. Bangalore meetups, whatever. And I don't want to refine with AI. One second. Save. I'm here. Testing, image support on relay, attach, Bangalore mentioned. I should also delete all those images. I don't know why. Okay, okay. Post. What? Why? Why are you failing image support? Is the question. What am I doing wrong? तो और गाड़ी भी पास हो रहा होगा, I'm sure. Initialize upload request owner. Isn't that what we're supposed to do? Mm-hmm. That is not it. Action register upload. It's action. Oh, is it register upload or V2 assets, brother? Image, LinkedIn image API, image API. Yeah, assets replaces the assets API. So we'll go on that. What do we require something over here? What is required? This is initialize upload request dot owner. We have added that. What else is required is the question. Oh yeah, see, this is required. If we are adding in that thing in the first place, image URN, unique URN for an image shouldn't be allowed during the creation of the image. Yeah. No. What name of the associated? If we're adding in media library metadata, then we have to do this. Otherwise, this is fine. Can be a person or organization URN. Oh, oh. Why am I doing all that then? Oh, but then I'm not. I have to fetch. Oh man, I don't really like that. That means I have to. Okay. Yeah, this has to be person ID, not org ID. I can because that makes more sense. Org ID. Okay, there is no org ID here. So upload image. Come on, come on, Friday night. Slash post slash now. Post now is here. Right. So I do have to get the person ID before. So let's put you up over here. Instead of org ID, let's put person ID as it should be. I'm gonna remove this from here. Um, yeah, let's just get you here. Let's get you here. Let's get you here, brother. Chill out. Person ID and post.route we are going to have to change that because we don't need this. Also have to undo everything. That's fun. Config org id org id org id. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. .t.ts LinkedIn org id server index LinkedIn org id sir. Okay, great. Hence, hence, I think one change we can do is post service is apna schedule. Yeah, since we only need it over here, I'd rather put it here because we don't need it over here. Oh, but we might need it. Oh no, but we don't. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Post now we always need it, so I'm not surprised about that. Post dot utils. Do we need it here? Are we passing everything correct? Yeah, we are. This we do require it by default. That's fine. Post dot service. If we are uploading the image, we then get the person ID and then we'll upload. Perfect. Okay. Okay. I think it should work now. Down. Docker image remove. npm run dev server out. Let's go. db migrate. So I should now be clearer about my messages if I couldn't upload an image. I should be like here. Image upload failed. So I should handle that. I'll do that often. That's like boring work. Database migrate. Let's go. npm run db studio. Boom. Boom. We're gonna refresh that. Uh, yeah, that's great. I'm just gonna, in case basically like I have to put in my LinkedIn password. I'm just give me 1 second, chat. Connect. Oh, nahi hua. Perfect. Damn. What a blessing. Share screen, by the way. Hello. All right, we're so back. I can feel it. I think we're gonna get this. I think we're gonna get this. Testing image. Go. Support on relay. Attach Bangalore meetups. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Are we so back? It was a little bit over, but I think we're back. I think we're so back. Come on. Are we so back? इतना time लेते हैं. Why does this take so much time? Oh, we are so back. Oh, we are so back. We are so back. Oh, we're so back. Beautiful. We're done. We are done. I think we are done. Git status. Holy moly, man. हाँ हमने migration तो करा. That is true. That is true. Server index. What changes in index? Oh, multi-part form data, right? Right. Okay. Oh, by the way, I realized something in Fastify. Is ki, let's say I have my whatever things I need to register, like plugins you say, right? I have to register my plugins. So I had to install multi-part over here. But in my post.route, I believe. Yeah. You see this thing? If I remove this, I get an issue when I'm parsing out my stuff. Abhi, let it load. Is it not loading? Is it fine now? Brother, are you kidding me? It was giving me an issue pehle, I think over here. Oh, yeah, that's probably why I've typed it better. But anyway, so if I was not like typing it essay, it was giving me an error, and now this is, I think it works. So anyway, this is how you're doing multi-part parsing in Fastify. So I like it. I pretty much like it. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so now we have that. This I can remove. Console.log. I don't want console.logs. And the thing is, why am I not using this thing? Why? Also, up to I don't think I need to use this because now, yeah, yeah, image file null. I know I'm not using this, but just I'll convert it into a schema. I'll put it later. Like we can do that. I want to also understand like how Fastify schema actually works. So I'm saving it for that. You know. Okay. I think we're done. I think we're actually done. Okay, we're gonna commit it like normal people, like sane people. Then we're gonna see what happens. We can remove that. We can remove that. We can even remove that. Permissions. I don't care. I don't care. Now, okay, this is done. If let's say now I have to schedule a post, I think that'll work. Let's just cross check. Post.route schedule. Okay, I get if I have an image, I have an image. Um, get my token. I'm like, hey, schedule my post. I'm passing in the image if it's there. It should be optional. Perfect. He gets a buffer. How is it a buffer? How are you a buffer? Oh, file.to buffer. Okay, perfect. Okay. I come here, too much white space. I'm like, hey, if there is an image, do that. Otherwise, just create a post and put it in my DB. My post at my image is there, but this can also be empty, right? So post.service, if I go to schedule post, I'm like, hey, if it's empty, I'm just gonna put it as empty in my database. That's fine. And yeah, so once that is done, when it runs from my utils, where is my post utils? I'm like, hey, image URL, LinkedIn post on LinkedIn. I'm gonna come here, then I'm checking key. Oh, by the way, do we have an image URL? Okay, if I do have an image URL, give me that object, and then put it here. I think this will work perfectly on schedule also. I have high hopes. Yeah, I think we're done. Let me just get status. Okay, git add server migrations. Source server migrations. Git add source server db. Right. Refactor. Add in. Add image field to post table and run local migration and run db migration basically. Okay, that is done. Git status. What else is there? Git add package. Dono डालो. चलो. Install multi-part plugin. Git status. Git add source server index. Git commit refactor. Register multi-part plugin. Git and source server modules posts git feed support images support image upload Add source common, LinkedIn, feed, support, image upload in LinkedIn module, git status, to do, git add. Sure. Future feature ideas. Git post origin head. I can come to my front end. I can be like, hey, good job. Let me just check. Confirm step, create scheduled post. Should we try one with a scheduled post? I think we should try one with a scheduled post. Local.result.studio. And the thing is, if it deletes, it will just delete. So we don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to delete this one because we deleted our post. I think we're going to be good. Okay. We have to upload it in a way. 1834, right? Let's do it for 1836. Testing image support with a scheduled post on Relay. Attach image. Where's my Bangalore? Boom. Schedule 7 name. 6. I know. 6:35, 6:36 p.m. Schedule. It's scheduling. It's scheduled. Uploaded on LinkedIn. Okay. Now let me just open LinkedIn on my end. Let me just open LinkedIn and we'll see what happens. Okay. Sharing the screen in a bit. This is the problem with LinkedIn. It loads so slow. It's like, why even post? Or like, why even just, I want a faster view to LinkedIn. And it's not giving that to me. So why? Should I care? Okay, I can share my screen. Perfect. 1836. It's already 1836 by the way. So we can just like keep refreshing. All these are, by the way, relay posts scheduled. So that's fun. Let's wait till 37. Anyway, 2 hours, not bad. Some people did join, but I guess I have to do a better job entertaining. So we'll see about that. 1836. Come on, 1837, boss. Come on, 1837. Let's go. I think अभी तक post हो गया होगा. The thing is, the cron job runs like every 3 minutes. So, that's the thing. And I'll make. So, we posted now with an image. We're posting now with a schedule. Then I want to test with just post now and just schedule, because then it should not. Oh, perfect. Oh, would you look at that? Perfect. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's great. Yeah, I should refresh that. What if I do something like, hey, server side sent events for when an image has been posted? Yeah. Okay. Now I wanted to test with um, testing backward compatibility without image on relay. Okay. Post now. Posted. Schedule. I want 40. 6:40. Schedule. Okay. We're gonna refresh. We're gonna delete our posted now thing. Load faster, my guy. How would I make a better client, UI client, than LinkedIn? Because this is just annoying. You can view all your posts and whatnot. Like, you know, all the questions of like, oh, why can't I just use LinkedIn? This is why. This is why is it taking so much time for an API to load? Okay, this works. That's great. 6:40. Yeah, we'll wait for that. No, like genuinely, why is it taking so much time for it to load? I get like how they're doing it. Like internet might be a complex system. This is not acceptable. We need faster APIs. You know. Also, I'm thinking to add a note about there might be like. Anyway, let's think about that later. Like a note basically saying ki schedule post like if you schedule it at 6:40, might be like 6:41, 6:42 when it's actually being posted because cron job is running every 3 minutes and not you know like if it's 6:40, I'll have to check every minute, which I don't have many users for that. So and I think I'm the only one who's using Relay right now, even though there are like 15 other people who have signed up. I think I'm the only one who's actually using it. So that's fine. This is a flow that I want. So I'll maybe post it on Reddit. And if someone's like, oh, if it's another automation tool, hey, it is. Try it out, see if you like it. If you don't, you know, Twitter pay. I've not done like an official thinky. Hey, by the way, so I think I should probably do that. Okay, hey, Relay version 1 is out. Blah blah blah. I think I should post it by now. No, okay. Did my job run? Well, well mentioned. Hmm. Oh, मेरे गाने नहीं चल रहे. That is loud. Wow. See, it's like dude, this is like 3 4 seconds or more. Maybe I have my dark mode extension on. That's probably why it's taking more time. Or maybe if it's not without like, oh, there you go. Oh, perfect. Dude, I think we're good to go. We can open our PRs. Um, git status, git add source component. Source hooks, right? Commit, refactor, use multi-part form data uploads, uh, form data on post hooks, I guess. Okay. Git status, git add factor. Oh yeah, catch. Change, create, wait, change dialog for post creation to include attaching images. Okay. Yeah, I think we can just open our PRs and like get it done. I think close the stream over here. It's 2 hours of stream, which is great. And yeah, we've done image integration like of LinkedIn. Like what? We've done LinkedIn image API integration into Relay. I'll open the PRs right now. I'll merge it. I'll deploy it. So then we'll have image upload, at least one image upload, and then later I'm thinking I can basically add in multi-image and then all the polls and whatnot if required. I Here's the thing. I want this to be a tool like my tool, right now at least. If people are using it and they're like, hey, can we do this, can we do that, sure, then I'll add it later. But for now it's very minimal and I want it to be minimal. So that's great. What else? Oh, Discord pay CWO did ask for like why not just add in Twitter connection. I'm still thinking about it because I can, but then it'll be like, oh, is this an automation tool, a social media automation tool? Because those already exist. I don't really want to do that. So that's the thing. Let's see. At least I'll think about it. It's not a bad idea, but then I am someone who like is tweeting raw and then taking my tweets and then doing it here. I'll probably add in like a import tweet where I just give the tweet URL. So that's a good idea. And yeah, let's just see. I'll open a PR for this, deploy, we're rolling. And also I should have image support on what do you say? TWT. So that I might do off stream. But I do have to do some work stuff. So I'll do that. Anyway, good stream. I think pretty good stream. Chalo, I will close this. Bye bye. See you in the next stream. Thursday, I think. Chalo, bye. End stream.